The damper spring is part of your small engine starter assembly. It makes it so less effort is needed to pull the starter rope. When you pull the rope, it winds tension into the spring. That energy is then released to rotate the starter pulley. Over time, the spring can wear and eventually break, often at the bent ends. Replacing the damper spring is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the upper motor cover. Now I can remove the starter. With the starter removed, now I can begin disassembling it. To do that, I'll pull the rope out and temporarily tie a knot in the center. Now I'll remove the screw that secures the other starter components. Now I can install the new damper spring. I'll place the hub over the damper spring, making sure to align the end of the spring with the hole in the hub. And I'll reinstall the screw to hold it all together. Now I can untie the knot in the center of the rope. And allow the rope to recoil back into the starter. Now I can reinstall the starter. I'll align the starter with the starter cup and begin securing it with the screws. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the motor cover. And that's all it takes to install a new damper spring in your small engine. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.